How would you like to triple your video views, increase traffic and sales like never before? In the next minutes, I will show you how you can do that with only 3 clicks. But before that, let me ask you this. What made you click play on this video? It was the thumbnail, right? With over 400 hours of video content uploaded to YouTube every minute, it doesn't matter how good your video content really is if your thumbnails are not grabbing attention. If you ever uploaded a video and got no traffic, this will fix that. According to YouTube, the #1 factor that influences people to click to watch a video is the thumbnail, and our tests prove that a good thumbnail will increase your views and traffic by up to 300%. Check out the increase in views that we got after testing a new custom thumbnail for this video, or for this video, or the traffic increase that I saw on my website. And check out how my income was boosted after changing the thumbnail from this to this. Now that I've shown you the massive change a thumbnail can make to your marketing and your income, do you want to have access to the tool that will literally allow you to click your mouse a couple of times and create you an attention-grabbing thumbnail that will boost your video's exposure literally overnight? We've been in the video marketing game for over 10 years. We tried and tested every sneaky marketing tactic in the book. We tested this over and over again, and every time we got the same results. A well-designed, eye-catching thumbnail will increase your video's views and traffic anywhere from 50% to 300%. The problem is that creating custom thumbnails manually is kinda tedious, and to actually create good thumbnails, you have to be an experienced designer or hire one. If you outsource the creation of a single thumbnail via sites like Freelancer or Fiverr, you will pay anywhere from $50 to $500 for a single professional thumbnail. But don't worry, after years of testing and tweaking, we are proud to present thumbnailblaster, the only AI-based software that will create attention-grabbing and click-pulling thumbnails for any video with literally 3 clicks. Actually, the process is that easy that even a child can do it. Just point and click, and let the artificial intelligence algorithm do all the hard work for you. I just log into our online app and pick any video that I want from my YouTube channel. Or I can start with no video. Now I click on Next. And this is click number 1. Easy as that. Now, the AI engine of thumbnailblaster will start to analyze your video's content, cross-check it with our huge database, and find out the thumbnail template that would get you the most clicks. As you can see in this case, it suggested we use this template. When you click on Use Template, you will see that it automatically customized the template for us. It used the title from our video, it extracted our website address from the description, and it used our original thumbnail as a background. Check out how good this thumbnail looks. All we have to do is to click Next, and that is click number 2. Uploading your new jaw-dropping and attention-grabbing thumbnail is as easy as clicking one button. Click on Publish, and thumbnailblaster will update your existing video with a new AI-created thumbnail that will get you more views, more traffic, and more exposure. And that is click number 3. Easy as that. Like I said, just 3 clicks. What used to take hours of creating, designing, and tweaking thumbnails now takes seconds. That's right, seconds. There is no learning curve, and the results are instant. There's nothing to install, and you don't need any technical skill. Each template can easily be customized to fit your needs. You can drag and drop anything, resize, change text and fonts, add new elements, just drag and drop. But that's not all. Thumbnailblaster will give you an unfair advantage, something never done before. How would you like to be able to test different thumbnails and find the version that is catching more eyeballs, brings you more views, more traffic, and more profits? Well, you can do that with Thumbnailblaster's split testing module. Just upload 2 thumbnails, select the time that you want the test to run, and let Thumbnailblaster work its magic. When the split test will end, Thumbnailblaster will automatically set the highest converting thumbnail. Amazing, right? So, here's the deal. I don't want you to struggle, suffer, and fail trying to create custom thumbnails manually. I'm offering everything you need on a silver platter. Oh, but there is one catch though. We would really appreciate if you could share with us how much your traffic increased after starting to use Thumbnail Blaster, so we can have more data and improve our AI engine even more. For that reason, you don't have to pay full $500. We're not going to ask you for $275 either. No. For a limited time, you're getting the deal of a lifetime. You can get Thumbnail Blaster for a ridiculously low one-time price and create as many thumbnails as you want, and triple your video views and increase your traffic and sales with only a few clicks. The price you see on this page is the lowest it'll ever be, and in fact, the price increases with each minute that passes. Once the launch ends, the price shoots way up. But hey, look, honestly, even at $500, that's an incredible deal for the power you're being granted. Outsourcing the creation of a single thumbnail will cost you more than the price of this offering, and you will have to wait for the freelancers to create it, sometimes up to a week. Not to mention the fact that maybe you just won't like the end result. Plus, all the designers that you'll work with will create your thumbnails based on their feelings, their ideas. You can't grow a business based on somebody else's instincts. I call that hope marketing. You create something and hope it'll work. I like to know in advance what works and what doesn't. The AI technology behind Thumbnail Blaster plus the split testing engine will guarantee you the best results. We are 100% confident in Thumbnail Blaster's ability to do what we are promising you. And that's why we're going to make this an easy no-brainer.